You can now create a cinematic 4K videos in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Upload your image. Step 2. Input your prompt right here. Create a cinematic videos for this Mercedes-Benz sports car. Step 3. Click on Generate. Wow! Unbelievable! Create a commercial video for these coffee products. Generate. Ouch! This is amazing! Create a viral cinematic commercial for this burger. Generate. Amazing! Create a cinematic video for this scene. Generate. Yeah. Create a professional cinematic video for this liquor spirit. This is insane. Okay, now let's create one more. Create a high-end cinematic viral video for this premium body cream. Select the resolution and click on Generate. Boom! This is stunning. And you can save, download these videos, or even preview on another tab. And all you have to do is to upload any image or take a photo shot of your product image and upload right here. You put in the prompt transition, you select the resolution, the duration and the effect that you want right here, and you can also activate the background music or not, and click on Generate. Boom, you are good to go. Also, Cinema AI comes with Visual Studios that allows you to generate, edit and transform images with AI right here. Okay, you can generate new images for your products, and you can use these images to create cinematic 4K videos. Don't miss this for anything. See you inside. Bye.